So over here, I have a Google site, and in this Google site, I have made a bunch of changes as time passed. So if you want to go around and see those changes, and maybe if you want to revert back to a particular stage of the change as well, then you can access the version history. So you can go around and click on the all changes saved in drive section right here, where it says open version history, or you can go to settings right here, just like this. No, not this setting, but the more setting right here, and then click on version history as well, and you will be able to see the version history. So over here, you can see that on June 2, in this particular timing, I made this version of the site. If I were to click on this, then you can see that this is how it was yesterday right here. And in Tuesday, you can see that this was my site right here. And if you want to revert back to this particular version, you can restore the site version or restore the space version only, so only the space is restored. So I'm just going to go around and click on restore this site version itself so that all of it is restored. And now what will happen is that all of the settings and the changes that were there in that particular date, it'll be restored out right here. You can see that the font changed and the elements are back right here, which I had previously deleted, and this is how it looks. And that is how you can access the version history and then revert back to a particular version of your website in Google Sites. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.